Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The futuristic, heavily modified Cadillac SUV in vibrant red is a true masterpiece of modern automotive design and engineering. Showcased in a professional studio setting with bright, focused lighting, this vehicle instantly grabs attention with its commanding presence and bold styling. Every element of its design speaks to power, luxury, and innovation, merging the ruggedness of an off-road beast with the sophistication of a premium vehicle. Starting with the exterior, the Cadillac features a wide-body kit that enhances its aggressive stance. The body has been custom-built to exude strength, with exaggerated fender flares that accommodate the oversized off-road tires. These deep-tread tires are mounted on blacked-out custom alloy wheels, giving it both grip and a powerful aesthetic appeal. The high ground clearance signals this vehicle's readiness to conquer the harshest terrains while still maintaining poise on urban roads. At the front, the SUV boasts a bold custom grille with the iconic Cadillac emblem at its center. The LED headlights are sleek and sharply contoured, complemented by sharp daytime running lights (DRLs) that add a high-tech edge to the look. A robust, custom-built front bumper integrates LED light bars, which not only enhance nighttime visibility but also add to the vehicle's rugged appeal. The red paint has a deep matte finish with black accents along the lower body, window outlines, and grille, giving it a stealthy contrast. Subtle chrome touches and shadowed details make the car feel luxurious while still evoking a military-grade presence. On the rear side, a sporty bumper, dual exhaust setup, and futuristic LED tail lamps continue the aggressive yet elegant design language. The windows are darkly tinted, maintaining privacy and complementing the SUV's mysterious look. Roof rails, a panoramic sunroof, and sculpted body lines contribute to the aerodynamic yet muscular silhouette of the vehicle. The attention to detail is phenomenal. Every curve, bolt, and trim piece feels purposeful and part of a grand design. Inside, though not visible in the image, one would expect Cadillac's signature luxury, leather upholstery, high-resolution digital displays, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system powered by the latest tech. This Cadillac is clearly built for dual personality, offering luxury and comfort on highways and city roads, while being fully capable of tackling off-road adventures without breaking a sweat. It is the ultimate fusion of form and function, appealing to drivers who demand both power and prestige. If you're a fan of cutting-edge car designs and powerful SUVs with a luxury touch, then this futuristic red Cadillac SUV is sure to impress you. For more reviews, stunning car visuals, and automotive updates, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Auto Critic USA for regular uploads and expert insights.